My name is Divya, and this is my Picture an Ecologist project. Today, I'll be talking about Dr. Stacy Jupiter. She's a marine ecologist whose work connects deeply with my heritage and my values. Her research in Fiji and the Pacific Islands help protect coral reefs and support indigenous communities who rely on the ocean. Now, you must be wondering who Dr. Stacy Jupiter is. Dr. Stacy Jupiter is an American marine ecologist and the director of the Wildlife Conservation Society's Melanesia program. She mainly focuses on the Pacific Islands, especially in countries like Fiji, Papua New Guinea, and the Solomon Islands. In 2019, she was awarded a MacArthur Genius Grant for her work combining science with the traditional ecological knowledge. She's known for working directly with island communities to protect fragile marine ecosystems. Now on to Dr. Jupiter's background and training. So, Dr. Jupiter completed her undergraduate degree in biology at Harvard University. And then after that, she earned her PhD in marine biology from the University of California, Santa Cruz, also known as UC Santa Cruz. After school, she moved to the Pacific to focus on community-based conservation. For over a whole decade, she's been helping communities in Melanesia find ways to manage their natural resources in the face of climate change and development. Her approach blends scientific research with indigenous practices like seasonal fishing bans and reef taboos. Much of Dr. Jupiter's work is focused on coral reef ecosystems, especially in places like Fiji. In Fiji, there's so many reefs, and reefs are a vital part of life and culture. She works with local villages to create locally managed marine areas, or LMMAs, where communities lead the protection of their own marine environments. These areas often use traditional rules, like banning fishing in sacred or overfished zones, to allow coral and fish populations to recover. Her work helps protect biodiversity, support food insecurity, and increase climate resilience. And she does that all while respecting local knowledge and culture. You must be wondering why I chose Dr. Stacy Jupiter. Well, I chose Dr. Stacy Jupiter because her work takes place in the Pacific Islands, including Fiji, which is where my ancestors are from. I went diving there for the first time, and it wasn't just a beautiful experience. It was basically a connection to my roots. I've been taught since I was young that the health of the reefs affects the people, the culture, and one's identity. When I dove in Fiji, I felt a connection to the water, the coral, and the sea life. And that coral was not as vibrant as one would have hoped it would have been. And you could see remnants of broken pieces of coral in the sand, and they were blue, and that's amazing to me. But as a whole, the coral had lost its life. The reef isn't just beautiful, it's part of my identity. It's why I chose to major in the environmental field. And so that's why Dr. Jupiter's approach to conservation really matters to me. She respects both science and indigenous traditions. It's personal to me, and it protects not just the reef, but also islander culture. Here are the sources for the images and the information I used in this presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye.